Hello everyone, it's Himanshi and welcome to Itsy Bitsy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful stencil photo frame, and for this you need chalk paints, brush, stencil, decor varnish, silicone glue, prime chipboard, some handmade flowers, a wooden decorable and a multi-purpose stand. So let's start it. First I am preparing its base with the pink Ballet chalk paint. As it is a light color, so I will do 2 base coats of it. And I am doing it on both the sides. The base is ready. Now I will make the texture with this honeycomb stencil. So I am putting it on the board with washi tape so that it will not get displaced. And I am using the bubblegum chalk paint on it. So now I am dabbing the color on the stencil with the help of sponge to give it a nice texture. And make sure to dab it very lightly and don't put pressure on it. In the same way, I will cover the whole board. Now it is done, so I am painting its corner with the same bubblegum chalk paint. After this, it is important to seal the texture. So for this, I am using the decor varnish in gloss. You will get all these materials at Itsy Bitsy website or at the store as well. Now I am pasting this happy birthday prime chipboard on the frame with the help of silicone glue, and then after this I will paste all the handmade flowers on the frame. For this bouquet handmade flower, I am only pasting its stem and not the upper portion. The last step is to paste your beautiful picture and the stencil photo frame is ready. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much for watching.